Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a strawberry pancake. If you follow my other video called how to make a butter pancake, so you guys can find it out how to make a batter for the pancake. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my ready-made batter to make the pancake base. So then let's go with that. I'm gonna make a 2 stack of pancake and then I'm gonna place up here nicely. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the base for the pancake with my batter already made. First of all, you heat up the pan and use the oil spray. Make sure you take out the pan from the stove, otherwise you're gonna catch the fire. It's for the safety reason. Safety is important, guys. So you're gonna all the spray and heat it up the pan. As you see, already pan heated. Now I'm gonna put the batter into the pan. Make sure you cover the bottom of the pan, so that's the right amount to make the pancake. It's gonna depend you guys because you're gonna use a different type of pan. That's fine with that, but make sure you cover the bottom of the pan and let it cook for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna flip it over and make sure you use the low flame to cook this one, and make sure you put the right amount of grease and let it cook. And see, after a couple of minutes we're gonna flip it over. And yeah, okay, look, this is the stage we're gonna flip the pancake to the other side. See, as you can see, around the pancakes the color change and you can see the bubbles, air bubbles coming up through the pancake. Then you're gonna flip it over. So this is how it's gonna be. Yes, that's how it is. Look at that color. That's a perfect color. It's beautiful. So let it cook the other side same as this. Then you're gonna get the pancake and plate it out. First of all, I'm gonna introduce my ingredients. The fresh strawberry up here and a strawberry coulis or a strawberry topping. You can go to the supermarket and you can buy it very cheap one. Or if you're not happy with strawberry coulis or strawberry topping, you just can use the maple syrup and the icing sugar for the garnish. These are the simple ingredients we need for making the strawberry pancake. So my 2 stack of pancake base is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up nicely. So first step is get the pancake base and place up nicely. This one is look nice, so I'm gonna put the top of the other pancake. And I'm gonna cut the strawberry into the 4 pieces. Make sure you get the green color off, but make sure you use the green color to garnish the strawberry pancake. So I'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna put the chunk of ice cream on top of it, vanilla ice cream. If you feel free to put mascarpone cheese or whipped cream, it's up to you guys as you like it. So I'm gonna use the vanilla ice cream and put the top of the pancake. Then I'm gonna spread up some fresh strawberry around it. I try to do something different on the top of the ice cream, so to give the nice look. After I place the strawberry, so now I'm gonna put strawberry coulis. And then I'm gonna garnish with the green which I took out from the strawberry. Then I'm gonna garnish with some icing sugar. Here you guys, it's ready to eat now. Thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. This is how you're gonna do the strawberry pancake. It's nice and simple and you can make at your home. And please guys, please do subscribe me, recommend me with your friends, and that will be the great help you can do to me. And see you guys, see you with a different video and different dishes. See you, cheers, bye.